How to log out Snapchat account from all other devices. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First launch your Snapchat, then go to your profile icon. After that, go to settings. Then you will see an option session management. Tap on it. Now all the devices that are logged in to your account will appear over here. Tap on the session or the device that you want to log out of, and you will see an option of log out from all devices, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.